Hey, Edgar's in Funneltopia here. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to customize your calendar widgets. So you can see this is like just an example page, and over here within the page, we have a calendar element, which we can find here. Just kind of a quick reminder how to get one on your page. It was someplace, oh my gosh, I can never find it. Yeah, here we go, calendar element, so you can drag it in, right? Like this one. Let's do it again. Let's drag it in. And then you can select what kind of calendar, right? So that's the calendar element. So let's go delete it. So we have one here already, and it's obviously connected to a specific calendar over here, which you can pick. And you can see the look is kind of, I mean, to me, it's kind of bland, but maybe to you it fits your branding. But just so you know, you can customize some of this look. So I want to show you how. So if you want to go to there's two ways. You can go to settings and then calendars, or the other way to do it, you can go to calendars and calendar settings, right? And then you can find that calendar that's embedded in your page, in your funnel page, on your website page, whatever. Consultation, I think this one was called. So what you want to do is you want to find your calendar out of the many ones you have, and then click on down here, edit. After clicking on the three dots, then you want to go to customizations, and here you can see you have some options. So this one is the first big one, as this is like the classic view, right? So you can change this to like a neo view. That's like a new different thing. So I like this layout a little bit better. So you can refresh the page. We have saved it, and now it's a slightly, I don't know, that's like a matter of taste, but this is really nice. I mean, this is kind of, it's just a better layout. So let's go take a look at what else we have in there. We can do some color changes, include, exclude some things. So customizations, obviously these are the colors, the primary color. We can do, I don't know what our branding is. Let's say this is our branding, right? And then this one, we can do like a background color for the thing. This is not going to be a good look, but bear with me. And let's go save. Let's go take a look. So these are the primary colors, primary and secondary, or rather the primary and the background. So let's go refresh the page now. So, I mean, maybe it looks good to you. It's kind of contrasting. It's nice. So, these were the two colors I changed. The main color and the, I think the button color as well will change. Yeah, the button color will change. So that's nice. And if you click on this, you can also change, so here it says schedule meeting. You can change that text as well. If we go back in, don't click on the three dots, edit. And I think it was at the bottom. If we scroll down over here, right? It says schedule meeting. We can do, I don't know, get on a call, or whatever your call to action might be. And also you can toggle on and off the calendar title, the calendar description, and the calendar details, right? It's like how crowded do you want the widget to be? We can just make it extremely simple, right? We can do this and then save it. And once it's saved, we can go on the page. Let's just refresh, and it says schedule a meeting. So it's going to say hopefully something different this time. Let's go schedule it again. Select, right? Get on a call. So that's kind of simpler. So all kinds of things. Let's take one last look. I think this is it. Maybe there's something else. Customizations. Yeah, the cover image, you can change that as well if you want. I'm not a big fan of crowding it up with images in this case. We want to keep it really simple. Less distractions better. Get on a call. Yep, that's pretty much it. You can add these back in if we want. Calendar details. And insert custom code. That's a little bit too advanced. No custom code here. But yeah, that's pretty simple, pretty baseline. Let's go refresh the page. And nice and clean look. I like the new look better, the Neo look, as opposed to the old classic one. So yeah, go check that out. If you have your own specific branding, which you probably should have, a consistent brand, you can not only pick a color, but there's also like a hex code field. You can just paste in your own codes, right, to match your colors perfectly with the rest of the page. Here you can see it's all over the place. This is just like a sample page. But yeah, you have the ability to customize this to this level. So go check that out. If you have any questions over here, 24/7 chat support, let us know. Make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, then I will hopefully see you in the next video. Bye.